y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Sorry, I can't take you seriously.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Q&A with my friend Tamela.
Hey guys.
I am in Louisiana for the weekend to help Zach's aunt move, and I hit up Tamela to meet up and have some breakfast, and we just got done eating and we're really full. So we asked y'all on Instagram. My Instagram is just at Naomi Rose YT. What's yours?
My Instagram is at TAMELA DYT.
So go follow her as well.
Which some people read as Tame Lady T.
Yes, I was gonna tell you when I saw you. I feel like it says Tame Lady D.
And that just, lady,
yeah,
Tame Lady my nerves. It's not.
Yeah. So it's Tamela D, not Tame Lady D. But you could go follow her there and follow me if you're not already. And we'll go ahead and jump in to answering some of the questions that you guys asked us. Okay, so the first one is, how has YouTube changed your life, positive and negative? You go first.
Positive? Well, I get to meet awesome people like Naomi. Like, I feel like honestly YouTube has been a way to meet people I never thought I would have met. Like, some of my best friends, like actual legitimately like ride or die friends that I never would have been able to meet otherwise. Negatively, I feel like this could be a negative or positive. I've learned a lot of things about a lot of people, and yes, it was a negative experience, but I feel like it also had a positive outcome, you know what I mean? Like, I learned like that, okay, that's not my type of people, that's not the kind of people I want to associate myself with. So it's caused me to learn a lot of hard lessons, but it did, you know, teach me something. Yeah.
The positive for me is the same, just meeting everybody that I have. You guys know I'm a really introverted, shy, awkward, weird person. So getting to connect with people is really, really nice. Meeting people who have like the same interests and stuff as me is really fun. For negative, I would say sometimes it can just be like a lot of pressure, and I know that's pressure I put on myself. But yeah, that's about it for negative. And it was Love Mia Joy who asked that. Okay, so the next one is from Hey It's Terry, and it says, if you could change 2 things about YouTube, what would it be?
That's a good question.
That is a good question.
I don't know.
Mine would probably be algorithm.
The algorithm.
Yeah,
I would rewrite that whole algorithm.
Yeah, let's just rewrite the whole thing.
I would make it, I don't know.
Make it less competitive.
Yeah, although I think the competitive just really doesn't come from YouTube. I feel like it just comes from people.
Yeah.
Because honestly, there's enough, whatever you want to call it, success, fame,
success,
whatever you want to call it, success to go around. I would change the people. Some of them suck.
Yeah.
Like, I just, but can I say that?
Yeah, to say it, yeah. That's just like every day though.
It's some like anything you go, like I go into Walmart, there's gonna be like 7 people that suck in Walmart.
Yeah,
like, and
like
just
7 people you automatically hate.
Yes, and it's like there's just people on YouTube that just suck, and that you just don't like them. And I also wish, can I say this? Am I getting too dramatic? I wish that you guys could see what we see as creators in other people. Yeah. If that makes sense. Because you get a different side of people behind the camera, and it's like we as creators get to see that side of other people, and I feel like you guys really don't.
Some people are completely different when they turn that camera on.
So different, and sometimes I just wish you guys could see it, because I feel like it's just so easy from the outside looking in, but when you look from our perspectives, they were just different.
Yeah. I agree.
Got deep.
Yeah, I got deep real quick. The next one's from Mrs. Erin Williams. Is top favorite TV show of all time.
The Flash.
And mine is Supernatural or The Office. They're kind of a tie. I love both.
Yeah.
And second is, what inspires each of you?
I feel like I get inspired a lot by other people. I feel like that was a dumb answer.
No, it's not a dumb answer. No. I get inspired just by like thinking of like my goals and things I want to do for my daughter, for my family. I get inspired from that, and I also get inspired from
other people's success. I feel like that's what I was trying to say. Other people's success inspires me, because you see them succeed, and then you know, like, okay, I can do that too, because it's, you know, like, it's the same, it cuts the same way. So like when other people are successful, it makes me want to be more successful.
Yeah, especially when they're like humble.
Yes, yes.
They come from humble roots. You're just like, yes, I could do that too.
Yes.
This one's more directed to me, but it's from Becca Jo, and she says, favorite places to visit in Oklahoma. There's not much to visit there.
I want to go to that one church in Oklahoma. I can't think of the name of the church.
Boston Avenue?
No, the guy, I follow him on Instagram. His name is I Am Michael Todd on Instagram. But I love watching his sermons on there. But
all that What you doing, homeboy?
Are they cleaning up a murder?
Oh my God.
Transformation Church.
I haven't heard of it.
You should look them up on Instagram.
Is it in Tulsa?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know much, I guess.
I'll tell you where to go in Oklahoma.
Yeah. I live in like a really tiny town in real far south of Tulsa, so I don't know a whole lot. I really did like Norman though when I lived there for a little bit.
What is that? Is that like a place or a town?
Yeah, Norman's a town. It's like where OU is. Like OU's real big in Oklahoma.
What is
like
that?
Boomer Sooner.
I don't know what was that.
It's football. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not big into football, but I really liked it there. Okay, next one. This is from Tori J. She said, were you scared when you first started your channel?
I'm scared sitting here filming this video now.
She's shaking.
You don't ever not get scared.
Yeah.
Maybe you do, but it's nervy. No, it's, I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I feel like it's because it's Naomi and we've never actually like met. Of course it makes us like nervous because you're nervous when you meet new people, even though we kind of know each other, but we don't. It's weird.
We've been friends for like a year.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's weird when you actually in person meet somebody, but yeah, I would say definitely so nervous when I started my channel. So nervous that somebody I knew was gonna like follow me.
Oh my God, that's
and I'm like, I'm gonna have to delete my own channel.
Yeah.
These people keep following me because I come up and people, this is a true story. I keep coming up and people suggest it, so people from home follow me and I block them. I feel so bad. I don't want to block you. I'm not trying to be mean.
Don't feel bad.
Don't feel bad. I just want you to watch me.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I was terrified when I first started. I was terrified that I would get lots of hate, which you don't.
Yeah, I feel like people overhype the hate. And I feel like it also, your hate grows as you grow, so it's not like just, this hate. It kind of is gradual.
They're not gonna come out the gate being like, you suck, your
You're
family
ugly,
sucks,
you should die,
yeah.
fall off a bridge.
Yeah, they just may say like, your curtain's stuck.
And then after filming, you feel like you worked hard on your curtains.
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta take it not too personally.
Yeah. But yeah, I was terrified. Like Tamela, I was terrified that somebody I knew was gonna find my channel, which people have, which really sucks.
And they've since been blocked.
Yeah, I haven't blocked them because they're really nice. They like comment.
And I know nobody I know has ever been blatantly mean to me. People have been very nice to me when they found it, but it makes okay, it's like my YouTube channel is like my happy place, and it makes me nervous to be in my happy place.
Yeah, it's like you're 100% yourself, you're comfortable, you let your guard down.
And on Instagram story, like that's my place to talk to my people, so like I blocked them from seeing my story. I didn't block them completely, I just blocked them from seeing my stories because that's where like I don't want you to judge me.
Yeah, you know, it's not that you care what they think.
It's not, but it just makes you more nervous, and
and then you
don't want to share as much.
Yourself.
Yes, because you don't want to share as much.
Yeah, because you don't know them like that. The next one is from Life with Lisa, and it says, how many kids did you want when you were little?
Probably a lot, but not no more.
I wanted 4.
I think I wanted 4 too, because well, even now when me and Devin talk about it, I say 4 only because my mom had 4. That seemed to work really great for 4 kids. But it's like I grew up in Devin didn't grow up in a big family. Devin only has his brother, but I grew up in a big family, so I'm like, we need to, if we're gonna have kids, when you go out, we need to have like 7.
Yeah.
Like go hard or go home.
Yeah.
You're like
7, no. I want 2 max. Like that is the absolute max, unless just for some reason
you're gonna get 3 because you said it.
Yeah, Jesus decides.
Not today.
Yeah, now you have 7 kids. This one's from Share Life, and it says, what's the most bougie thing y'all ever bought? P.S. Love y'all, wish I could have hopped in your car to go too.
Most bougie thing, probably my MacBook.
Yeah.
It's like the most, like besides like my car, but that's, I wouldn't say it's like necessarily bougie.
When I was younger, I used to buy like really expensive purses. Like my early 20s, I used to buy like Coach purses and Michael Kors purses.
That makes my chest hurt.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I'll take
Looking back, I just want to slap me.
I've bought them before, but I either buy them like at TJ Maxx or like secondhand.
I bought these new, like I'd go into the Coach store, like a damn
that makes me want to vomit.
Yeah.
Like my chest hurts.
Yeah.
I feel like the most bougie thing I've ever spent money on is my MacBook, which people might not think that's bougie, but like, they're expensive.
Yeah.
I'm still paying for my MacBook. It's so expensive.
I'm so cheap now. I found my MacBook off of the Facebook Marketplace.
I wish I would have been
$100. Yep. $100.
Get away from me.
I know.
I wish I would have known then what I knew now, or I would not have financed a MacBook because that was a terrible decision. But you know, you live and you learn.
Yeah, you gotta learn from your mistakes. So, well, either that or my car. Cars are expensive.
I know cars are expensive, but I wouldn't say that's like bougie. That's like you need a car. Like you don't drive a bougie car.
No, I don't. I drive a Toyota.
I'm not saying like you drive like her car is like gross. Like no.
Yeah, this is not bougie. Next one is from Seagull Wifey, and it says, how do you maintain a friendship with adult life getting in the way?
You don't. I mean, you do, but you have to have a mutual friend who understands adult life.
Yeah.
And I say that because it's hard, because I have struggled with that a lot with my best friend, because we're at 2 different places in our life, and like I love her to death, but she's not where I am, and so it's hard for her to understand the things that I'm going through, and vice versa, because we're not the same place. So you really have to have somebody that kind of understands, like, I love you but I'm busy, I love you but I have, you know, stuff to take care of, things like that. It's just, you kind of have to have like a mutual respect and know that, yes, I love you, I care about you, I want to check up on you, but like I have things going on.
Yeah, I feel like you need to find friends that you can talk to whenever you need, but if you aren't available, like, they're not gonna be like, why aren't you talking to me? Why aren't you texting me?
Yeah.
Like, you never talk to me anymore, and then hold it against you later. You need the friends that you can be friends with and always just pick it up wherever.
Yes, definitely.
Like, you know, you both just understand, you get it, you have common interests.
Or even if you do feel that way, that somebody you can actually ask that to and not be like, oh, you don't love me more. Like, hey, is there something going on? Like, let me know. Are you busy? Like, someone you can actually have like that conversation with. Like, hey, I'm sorry I haven't got back with you. I've just been busy.
Yeah, like a real, like, you can real talk with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you need as an adult. All right, so that's all we're gonna do for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is part 2 of the Q&A. If you want to see some more questions we answered, you can go over to Tamela's channel. I'll have her video and her channel linked down below for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe down below. I would love to have you here, and yeah, I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye.